Hey Ben, so let's go to this watch repair shop I found on ChatGPT. It's in Old Denpasar, and let's see if that works out good because I have several watches I'm taking for polish, maybe repair. We'll see how it goes today.
Sure.
So let's go.
Sure. Yeah. Let's go.
So here we are in Old Denpasar. I found Dodi's watch on ChatGPT with relatively good reviews, and a lot of old Seiko collectors come here to have their watches serviced and fixed. And there is Mr. Dodi at his work. Dodi is going through all the pieces of old watch bands because we have to match one piece to this watch as it's slightly tight. So let's see what he can come up with. This is Dodi's watch shop in Bali. I found him on ChatGPT. So the strap is a bit tight on this beautiful Seiko Wana, but it's not the original strap. So the plan is that this buckle, which is a short, and this one is a longer buckle. So I think he's just going to change the buckle because the buckle length on the other one is long. So it's kind of creative approach to fixing the length of the strap, and I like that because there's no other choice. So here we are. Dori has fixed the strap, so now it actually has the original Seiko buckle and looks great. So I'm leaving these three watches with Dodi. Omega, which is JDM Japan domestic model, I believe from 70s, not working, so he's going to fix it and he's going to charge me 250,000 Indonesian rupiah, which is roughly 16-17 US dollar. The other two watches only need light polish and cleaning, so he'll do that, and we are getting one strap fixed. So let's see how it all comes out. I'll update you once these watches are done. And here is, look at this beautiful blue dial Omega Constellation Day Date. This is JDM Seiko at one, and this is the 70s Seiko Paio Actus 23 joules, I believe. So it will be completed, everything will be done, and we'll have a look tomorrow when it's done. So 24-hour service. So here is the Cartier steel automatic, which needs some polishing. So I brought it to Dodi, and let's see how all the polishing work goes. So I'm going to watch and see how the process is being done. So let's go. Dodi is now polishing this Cartier one here, and hoping it's going to look like new. Dodi,
Yep.
also the buckle, right?
Yes.
Polish the buckle also, so we can make it look new. Prepared with the mask and protection. Wow, professional jobs. And here is the polishing machine. Dodi is removing scratches with very fine sandpaper, and then he's going to polish it again. So all scratches, I believe, will disappear and it's going to look brand new. Okay. बढ़िया. Okay, play. ठीक है, young Ines. Here. Ini. Kapan? Dori knows how to do his job. I can see it. So after light sandpaper use, removing more scratches, Dori is at polishing it again. So this Cartier is going to look brand new. Well, I'm having this fixed at a very reasonably price. I'm also learning. So I already have the equipment, so I'll try this in future. So this is already now polished, and as you can see, no scratches whatsoever. Amazing. Most incredible job. Looks totally new. And here is the final cleaning. And Nodi already also polished the okal.
Tapos midam na pala. Dapat M2 nih.
Shiny deal. With the strap buckle now. Is polishing that.
And then apa kasi bakut pendak.
Watch is to bomb. Great job, thank you. Looks brand new.
Yes, good serial Kennedy, Cartier Kennedy. Kennedy Cartier. Itu lama di sini. Hanya 3-4
Gold is, you think gold is no good, so you make it silver? You make silver? Yes. All silver?
Oh, apa di sana also all paper.
And will look like original silver skin.
Dia kayak asli, kelihatan kayak asli bang ya.
Iya, dia unik kan boleh.
Yeah. You see, if it gold and it's blue, it's not matching. He will make it silver, then look like the original.
Okay. So since the bracelet is not original, and I also believe that with all steel will look better with blue dial, so he's going to change it. Let's see how it looks tomorrow. So I'm leaving this scratched up watches, this Seiko, another Seiko Wanak, and this Seiko Edwan with a lot of scratches on the dial, with Dodi, another Wanak, so that he can polish it tonight and have it ready by tomorrow. And I'm hoping it will look fantastic tomorrow when I come to pick up. And this one doesn't have too many scratches, but he wants to clean up. Okay, so my driver is here to pick me up and take me to the watch shop again. I cannot wait to see the results of some of the watches I left yesterday, how they turn out, how they're working, and also the polish and the looks. And today I take some more and see how it will come out tomorrow. So looking forward.
To buy this watch,
I got
He likes this watch, One As. He says I should sell it to him. He says I have many watches, so but of course that's not for sale. Dodi, you like that watch? So here we are today, and Dodi did incredible job. So this is the watch we had seen, which had gold and steel bracelet, but now he changed it to all steel. I don't know how he did it, but he polished it and he made it all steel. So that's good. Omega constellation that was not working, and now as you can see it's working perfect. He polished, cleaned. Seiko Wanats, again polished, clean, and glass has still some scratches, but I'm quite happy. That one looks brand new, and the scratch is gone. Looks like original. Longines, of course, with diamonds and opal dial. He did incredible job polishing the bracelet, cleaning up the watch. So overall, all in all, amazing work. I brought two more Seiko and he adjusted the scrap. Nothing much needs to be done to this. It's in great condition. This is 1973 Seiko, beautiful condition, like new already. We didn't do anything to this. Works perfectly fine. So this too, only the strap adjustment needed and it's done. And finally, this Seiko One Ounce, which he wants to buy because he likes it so much, but I like it more and I'm kicking it, of course. I'm not selling. So today we get this polish. So Dodi has removed all the watch part, disassembled, and now it's polishing this watch. It looks almost new, but he's going to remove all the minor scratches and make it look brand new, and then assemble it back again. So it's going to look beautiful. And then it's the turn for this Seiko One Ounce, which is it has many scratches, as you can see here. See, certain like you can see a lot of scratches. So it's working condition, but I think we need to make it look new. Dodi is going to do that. So Dodi is putting the watch back together after incredible detailed polish. I was thinking that this watch didn't need polish, but he thought he should, and I'm glad he did, because every part he took it out and did a detailed cleaning and polish, and now he's putting the watch back together. He polished those rims and everything, so shiny, and it will look incredible. Also, there was small issue with the one of the bracelet links. The pin was broken, and he's going to fix all of that. So I'm glad he worked on this watch. Now he's cleaning and putting all of it back together.
Abi. Bobby Danny said Bobby, Silpo Parinaki.
now comes the final assembly. Here goes the crown. And he's going to boil it a little bit.
Lan putar ini gini teman. Balik kau tidak apa? Oh iya.
Tak bisa apa pasti.
He also polished the back seal, so it's still brand new. Look how new and nice it looks. It has both Japanese and English date is set, so now he's working on the bracelet to fix the bracelet legs. The one leg which has a broken fin, he's going to fix it. Put a new pin where the pin was out, and I hope we'll be able to fix this. So Dodi is now working on a very fine sandpaper to not only remove scratches from the case but from the glass, and he already went through one round of polish. He's not completely satisfied, so he's doing it more. He's very careful not to overdo it, so I have all the trust in him how he's working on this. Now he is changing the grade of the sandpaper so he can get the desired result. Yeah, it's like God, so see how good it looks after the polish. It's a week with scratches, and now
Ada udah, rangnya putus ya.
is using the polishing cloth to make it shine even more. Look at that, finished. No scratch. Looks amazing. Now is we to wash it with a damp cloth little bit so that it's good. Dodi did the most incredible job on this Seiko Vana. Is the polish, all scratch is gone, looks new. This watch is priceless. Look at the color of the dial. Wow. And the faceted glass. And now same watch in the sun. No scratches, beautifully polished, faceted glass, amazing color of the dial. I love it. So Lodi fixed the staff of this Seiko beautiful 1973 watch. So this is done. Also this one had a lot of scratches on the glass. So Dodi fixed this one as well. So all watches are finished with very great polish and work. Quite happy with the result. Yeah. Look how this dial looks. Amazing styles. Right. Thank you, Dodi. Okay. Good job. Good job.